tell them I learned the lesson. If I fall again, it won't be for that. Tell them I won't be for that. I won't make that mistake again. Oh, come on. I need real people. He is a God of restoration. Psalm 126. Let me just go there for a minute. For some of us, I think Psalm 30 best fits. So let's shift and go to Psalm 30. See, 126 is anonymous. We don't know who wrote it, but it's true. 126 says, we're going to go to 30 though. But 26 in my spirit, so let me get it out. It says, we were held in captivity by the enemy, but the Lord restored us. And when the Lord restored us, it was like we were dreaming. When he brought us out of our trouble, when he gave us the deliverance that we were looking for, the deliverance that we prayed for, we were dreaming. We were in a dry place, but he restored us like streams running from the south. But he go on to say, we came weeping. After the Lord brought us out, we tried some more. But it was a different cry. And so the writer says, behold, what's that last few verses say? Verse 5. You might as well read it since I'm quoting most of it.
They that soweth in tears shall reap in joy.
Where you at?
Psalms 126 verse
No, I mean people, where you at? You sowed it? You better go ahead and pray. Come on.
They that sow in tears shall reap in joy.
Look at somebody and say, that's called restoration. Reaping is a restoration. It's the restoring of what I've already given up. If you sow in tears, you're going to reap in joy. Look at the house out here and say, neighbor, you got it. He's coming your way. He's a God that can't lie. If you have shed any kind of tear for ministry, any kind of tear for any kind of gift for the things of God, you can expect because you didn't give up. I said because you didn't quit. Because you could have gone in the town. Oh, but you didn't quit. Well, you know what? Come here, Sister Denise. Come on, Charlene. Y'all help. Just give him a quick praise. It's a strength. It's a strength. It's a new strength. New strength. New strength. New strength. New strength. Restoration. Restoration is coming. My God, my God. All right, we're gonna move. Look at somebody and tell them it's okay to cry.
It's okay to cry.
Crying is a release. Crying helps you to relieve. It's a mechanism that God gave us to help us. So don't be ashamed if every tears come. Just let them flow. It's a purging of the soul. He who soweth in tears shall reap in joy. Now come on, Elder, finish reading the rest of that right quick.
He that goeth forth and weepeth.
Listen to this. He who goeth forth and weepeth. Go on.
Bearing precious seed shall doubtless come again.
Wait a minute.